Alright. Alright, this is my 2012 With People Justice. I've customized it, and now I'm gonna do a bike check because this bike looks sweet. All this, the pedals, the chain, and the grips used to be black, and tighten this. I got pollen on it because in Florida, yes, we get a lot of pollen on it. But this is a mechanic hollow light half-track chain, and these are Colt Vans grips, eclat slash pedals, Salt amateur 3-piece cranks, Salt 25 tooth driver, and Salt high quality light rims. And I got a male Salt driver on it, hub, and I still want to get the female from Eclat, the dynamic one. I got stickers on there, Eclat sticker, Gamescom stickers, and the Hurley Phantom one, because I like board shorts, that's all I wear. And this is a sealed Salt cassette hub, and the tires is a 2.25 in the back and a 2.3 in the front. And that's about all there is to my bike, but soon I'm planning to get, there's like paint coming off, but I'm gonna get a Eclat Onyx 2-piece crank white, and probably an Eclat sprocket black one, keep this chain, and a pair of Eclat slash black pedals. Probably, I want a higher rise, probably like 8.9, white handlebars, Eclat, and then just get black grips, whatever kind. I have another pair of white ODI long neck Stay Strongs at home for backup, because I run through grips fast.